In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to set things up so your books stay accurate and easy to understand. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the very top of the screen, look for the small gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes setup for your company. When the settings menu opens, look for the column labeled Your Company. Under that column, select Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is basically the master list of all the buckets where your money and balances are tracked, including income, expenses, assets, and of course, liabilities. Once you're on the chart of accounts page, move your eyes to the upper right corner and click the New button. This tells QuickBooks you want to create a brand new account. A new account panel will open on the right side. Here, you'll first choose the account type. Because we're creating a liability account, you'll usually pick one of two options from the drop-down. Use Other Current Liabilities if the debt is due within 1 year, like credit cards or short-term loans. Use Long-Term Liabilities for debts that will take more than a year to pay off, such as mortgages or long-term business loans. Taking a moment to choose the correct type now will help your reports, like the balance sheet, show an accurate snapshot of your business. Next, you'll choose a detail type from the drop-down. This is a more specific description of the liability. For example, you might select credit card, notes payable, or loan payable. Pick the option that most closely matches what this account will be used for. This helps keep similar accounts organized and easier to identify later. Now it's time to name the account. In the name field, enter something clear and descriptive like business loan, equipment loan, or taxes payable. If your accounting system uses account numbers, you can add a number here too, but that's optional. The key is to make the name obvious enough that you or anyone on your team will recognize it instantly. If you're setting up an account for a debt that already exists, you'll want to enter an opening balance. Click the option for starting date and opening balance. Choose the date you want to begin tracking this loan or liability in QuickBooks, and then enter the current balance as of that date. If you're setting up a brand new loan that hasn't been recorded yet, you can leave this blank for now. The individual transactions you enter later, like loan proceeds and payments, will create and update the balance automatically. Once everything looks correct, click Save to finish creating the account. Your new liability account will now appear in the chart of accounts and will be ready to use in your transactions and reports.